Spring is in the air, and that means more than just longer days and warmer weather. It's time to shift our safety mindset. As the season changes, so do the hazards. In this video, we're diving into spring maintenance and inspections. What to look for, what to fix, and how to prevent incidents before they happen. Winter doesn't just bring snow and cold, it brings stress. And that stress shows up in all kinds of places across your worksite. Ice expands and cracks, creating structural damage that isn't always visible at first glance. Snowmelt can lead to hidden water pooling in walkways or equipment bays. Salt, while helpful for safety in the short term, can accelerate rust, corrosion, and even electrical failures if it builds up unnoticed. And then, there's the downtime. Tools, machinery, and systems that sat idle over the winter may have dried out seals, drained batteries, or developed condensation inside components. Just flipping the switch and hoping for the best isn't a plan, it's a risk. Spring is your reset button. It's the perfect opportunity to take stock of what winter left behind, inspect equipment from top to bottom, clear out debris and buildup, and make sure everything is ready for the increased activity that usually comes with the warmer months. If we skip this step, small issues like a cracked hose, loose guard, or water-damaged cord can quickly lead to injuries, equipment failure, or even major downtime. But if we get ahead of it now, we protect our people, our equipment, and our productivity. Let's walk through the key areas you should inspect during spring maintenance. 1. Walkways, stairs, and platforms. Check for cracks, loose handrails, and uneven surfaces caused by freeze-thaw cycles. Snowmelt and rain can create slippery mud or moss. 2. Roofs and overhangs. Inspect for damage caused by ice dams, loose panels, or fallen debris. Drainage systems up top might still be blocked, and don't forget the risk of overhead hazards like shifting snow or icicles. Only trained workers with fall protection should access elevated areas. 3. Drainage and gutters. Blocked drains and downspouts can cause flooding or create hidden slip hazards. Clear out leaves, ice, and debris. Check basement or ground-level areas for signs of water seepage. 4. Machinery and tools, coming out of winter storage. Look over belts, seals, hoses, and moving parts for signs of cold weather wear. Just because it worked last fall doesn't mean it's safe to use now. Always use lockout-tagout procedures during inspections. 5. Vehicles and heavy equipment. Inspect tires for flat spots and dry rot. Test brakes, lights, fluids, and wipers. Salt buildup underneath can cause serious corrosion. What's your go-to checklist when bringing gear back into use after winter? 6. Electrical systems and cords. Temperature swings and moisture can damage wiring. Inspect power boxes, extension cords, and connectors, especially those exposed to the elements. Now that we've inspected the essentials, let's talk about preventative maintenance, the real key to reducing downtime and keeping your people safe. 1. Lubricate moving parts. Apply proper lubricants to gears, chains, and joints. Cold weather may have thickened or separated your grease. Replace it if needed. Use color-coded tags to mark when and where lubrication was last done. 2. Replace filters and top off fluids. Check air, fuel, and oil filters. Top up coolant, hydraulic, brake, and washer fluids. Drain and replace any stale fluids left from winter. 3. Inspect and update inspection tags. Make sure your safety tags are current and legible. Check ladders, fire extinguishers, fall gear, and eye wash stations for expiry or wear. 4. Keep a maintenance log. Write it down. Record inspections, repairs, and replacements. A proper log isn't just good practice, it's proof of your due diligence and helps plan future work. 5. Check battery health. Cold weather drains batteries, test voltage, clean corrosion, and recharge battery-powered tools. 6. Inspect belts, hoses, and seals. Cracks, brittleness, or leaks are common after a cold season. Check pumps, joints, and seals closely. 7. Tighten hardware and fasteners. Freeze-thaw cycles can loosen bolts and screws. Use torque specs for critical fasteners and secure all safety guards. 8. Clean off debris, salt, and grime. Salt accelerates corrosion, especially on metal, electrical connections, and ventilation systems. Wash down vehicles, ladders, and exposed gear. 9. Test safety features. Make sure emergency shutoffs, lights, backup alarms, and interlock switches are fully functional before putting anything back into use. 10. Review manufacturer bulletins. Check if any of your equipment has service alerts or seasonal maintenance guidelines. Manufacturers often provide important safety updates. Encourage your team to report issues immediately. A small crack or a loose bolt today could be tomorrow's serious incident. Take 15 minutes this week to do a quick walkthrough at your own workplace. Tag anything that needs attention and follow up. Jot the things you found in the comments. Spring is a season of change, so let's use it as a reset for safety. Don't rush the restart. Maintenance is safety, and prevention is protection. If this helped you refocus your safety efforts, give it a thumbs up, share it with your team, and subscribe for more safety videos just like this one.